Kelly Murphy was a snowboarder. She didn't realize one day while she was snowboarding that there was a bear running after her, looking for food. When she was snowboarding down the hill, the bear ran after her. She didn't know that the bear was running after her. The bear represents in this story the fear that some of us have. Fear can be paralyzing. Had she stopped and looked at the noise behind her, the bear could have devoured her because the bear was hungry. The moral of the lesson is fear can be devastating. If we look back, we can never move forward. So the only way to move forward is to never look back. Keep grinding and keep pushing forward and keep moving forward. If you only look back for 1 second, that fear that you have deep inside you for anything in your life can get you to a point that it will paralyze you and it will not make you move forward in your life. Be optimistic. Try to cheer up and chin up and move forward and never look back. That is the only way that you can be successful. Thank you very much.